Hey everyone! Earlier this winter, I wasn't able to start my 208cc Craftsman Snowblower, which had a gasoline and sitting there since last winter. So I had to do a few steps tune-up to get me moving and thought to share with you all. First thing first, I changed the engine oil using the wrench to keep the oil drain tube secure to the engine block, and remove the oil drain block using another wrench. And here I'm collecting in a jar so that I can dispose properly. I'm using a 10 mm wrench to open the plug. It took me about 5 minutes to drain all the used oil, and it's in the last few drops, so I had to tilt a little bit just to ensure I get each and every drop collected back from the drain plug. Once it's done, I put back the plug in. Next step is to check the spark plug, which is located next to the exhaust tube. Here the spark plug looks okay. It has a recommended gap, so we'll use the same for the season. Next step, check carburetor. It's located under the choke knob, and this is where my problem is. Since I left the gasoline and did not add any fuel stabilizer, it collected the moisture and water over the time and was sitting inside the carburetor. So I had to remove it all. And my carburetor looks clean, so I just put it back and added a fresh gasoline. Next step is check the auger to ensure all the sharp pins are installed correctly and replace any old sharp pin with the new one. And there you go. Finally, I'm able to start this and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching.